Hello guys, today in this video I will show you how to find saved posts on Reddit. So first subscribe and I will show you if you see that is simple for you guys. Now for finding the saved posts on Reddit, you can to go to Reddit app like this. Now you can see the home page of Reddit. Now if you want to see your saved post, for example, you are saving this post like this, saving this post too, like this, save it. After that you turn and you go to your home page like this. Now in the top and right you can see the profile page here. Click this option. Now you can in the top and right also you can see this three lines here like this. Now you can see all this option here. After the finished one, save it, click this option. Now you can see all your saved posts or you save it subreddits successfully. Thank you for watching guys.